This episode will cover how to make guts and how to discard. Guts are made at the end of each turn. When you've used all cards in your attack stage, then you may make guts. That means you place them face down below your monster cards, from left to right. So if you send 3 cards from your hand to the guts at the bottom, you have 3 guts. Pretty simple. When you use a card, you take guts away from your pile from right to left. So it's important to remember what order you send cards to become guts. A card you make guts first will take longer to end up in your discard pile. Some cards have you make guts from your deck. In that case, it's the same from your hand, but you don't get to look at them. They go face down from left to right. If you don't want to make guts, you don't have to. But when you draw again for your next turn and you still have 5 cards, you are still only allowed to have 5 cards. In that case, the very top card of your deck becomes guts. The discard pile is where cards go when they've been used, such as power or intelligence or breeder cards as an example. The discard pile is also where cards go after you've used them as guts. You can never get a card back from the discard pile unless a specific card says otherwise. You can look through your discard pile at any time. You may also look at your opponent's discard pile at any time. You may not look at your guts or your opponent's guts cards. Well, that was short, but that's the end of the guts and discard tutorial. Remember, the link to download the physical game, translated by me and a few friends, can be downloaded in the description. Download it, share it with friends, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on this game, and have a good day.